Welcome, today I'm for the MOTOROLA Moto E40 and I'll show you the face unlock test on that device. So I just set up my face recognition here to the face scanner, and now we can see how this feature is, just does it works and how fast it is with a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face recognition. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock method works here correct and so fast. We just can unlock the device then just in 1 second. So this is the really good result for face unlock feature. I just want to try one more thing to wear the glasses, because I set up the face recognition, the face unlock method without these glasses, and now I'll try to unlock the device with them. So 2, 3. So we can see that the face unlock feature works also correct here with the glasses. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or pin code. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.